ده نزل على اليوتيوب حسن لحظة خليك شوي.
So this one is done, and now we're moving on to this one. First car is gonna be this one. Now, I don't know if you remember from a previous video, I actually tried to pull the frame or the rear part. I don't know if it's called a frame. It's not a frame. So the rear sheet metal back to try and close the hood. I successfully was able to pull the steel bumper back. However, I didn't have time to pull this sheet metal back, and the car was sold already as is. So I'm shipping it as it is. Before we load it first, we're gonna fill it up with some stuff. So I have luggages, more luggages. I'm gonna try and fit in as much stuff as I can. Next car, Corolla 2006. So we are going to fill it up like the other one. This will be the third car, which is a Toyota 4Runner 2008 or 9. But before we put it in the container, there is something I want to try. See, with this 4Runner, I got a second set of summer tire with mag wheels that I would like to try on my pickup. So here's the set of tires, 18-inch wheels. They look good. Off-road tires, and it just so happens that I need some summer tires on this truck, so I'll be attempting to try these on these. Of course, they don't fit right away. That's why I got some adapters that I'm gonna try on. So for the moment, the adapters fit in perfectly over here. Now let's hope that everything else fits properly as well. Can I use the same? No, I cannot use the same bolts. Maybe I'll use this one there and then this one there. They look like they fit properly here. So I have confirmed that these are the right adapters. They fit on the F150 as well as the 4Runner tires. However, although I got some screws for the 4Runner tires, my old screws that used to go on the F150 are too big to go in the adapter. So I'm gonna have to buy some new ones that are smaller, made for this kind of use. So they will not fit today. So I put them on just to try. I love the fact that they're outstanding. They're outstanding now. They look super cool. However, at the moment they're not safe. I'm gonna show you why. Because these bolts over here are 14 by 2 by 2, yes, 14 by 2, which doesn't fit with the right bolt that comes for the Toyota mags. First of all, they're too big, and second of all, you see how the bolt for the F150 comes curved here, over there. They come curved over there. Oops. At the edge to fit perfectly with the mag and to push the mag on the disc brake. Now the Toyota ones are different. I don't have it with me at the moment, but they're different and they're straight. So whenever you put them on, or whenever you put the F150 bolts on, you can see here how it's there's only one small thread that's holding the whole mag, so it's absolutely unsafe. Now what I will have to do is I'm gonna order some new bolts. I'm gonna attempt to remove these from the back and insert, hopefully, my Toyota bolts that hopefully will insert perfectly onto these adapters. You can see at the end of the tunnel over here, there's kind of the same shape as on the edge of this bolt. So whenever it fits at the end, everything is flush and it pushes perfectly the adapter on the disc brake. So it's not the case with the mags, the Toyota mags, on these 14 by 2 bolts. You cannot use the Toyota nuts because they don't fit. The Toyota nuts are 12 by 1.5. So hopefully, at least I'm learning some new things. It's not time wasted. So you see here, this is a nut for a Ford F-150. You see how it fits perfectly, the kind of curved surface with the edge of the nuts. They fit perfectly. Now if you want to use the same bolt, because you don't have a choice, the adapter came with 14 by 2 bolts that are made for one F-150. If you want to use these nuts on the Toyota mags, you can clearly see that they don't fit. The surface of the mag is not compatible with the edge of the nut, and that makes it unsafe. So I have to change the bolts which are on the adapter. set it up first.